The blaster is a robotic blasting arm that allows the operator the ability to blast and paint a multitude of surfaces, including the interior and exterior of ground storage tanks, the interior of water towers, and the exterior of ship hulls. The blaster was developed out of a need to improve worker safety and modernize the industry. The blaster robotic blasting arm is the future of interior and exterior blasting and painting. The user-friendly design and industry-leading remote robotic technology will allow the users to replace dangerous and time-consuming conventional blasting methods with advanced modern technology that is both durable and easy to operate. Features of the blaster robotic blasting arm include the following. The blaster is constructed out of aluminum, assembled from 13 individual pieces, all of which will fit through a 22.5-inch manway, and is put together with 6 bolts and snap pins. The blaster has a blasting capacity of 4 number 7 blasting nozzles, which blast at a rate of greater than 450 square feet per hour to SSPC number 10 near white metal blasting. The blaster features a basket for a person to do any touch-up blasting and painting. The blaster's mobile command center allows the operator of the blaster to control the robotic arm from inside a trailer at the base of a tower or tank, communicating to the blaster through a 200-foot umbilical cord. The blaster features industry-leading remote camera monitoring technology. Each of the blaster's cameras can be viewed in real time from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. I'd like to introduce Bob Santour. Bob is the inventor of the blaster and is here to give you a detailed product demonstration of all the blaster's features.
Okay, now we're here at the command center. It has one joystick and it's an analog system. And you set your speed parameters by these speed dials up here. So this is the pitch speed dial. So whatever you set this maximum, you go 0 to maximum. Like right now it's going up. The head, as you can see it on the video here, the screen, and then down, and then your swing speed is right to left. And there's smart motors. It will not let you run into anything. And then you're in and out, coming out and in, going out. The arm is going out, and then coming back in, getting further away from your substrate. And then your nozzle adjustment, meaning your oscillating nozzle tip is going back and forth on your head, moving your nozzles right to left, up and down. And now here is your dead man's for your blast nozzles. You turn number 1 nozzle on, start blasting. Number 2, nozzle start blasting. Number 3, nozzle start blasting. Number 4. Now you have all 4 blast nozzles going. Now you could turn your oscillating nozzle tip holder on, and it oscillates and it rotates your nozzles. And you can control that oscillating nozzle tip right here by how many revolutions you want per minute. Now if you shut your blast nozzles off, if you have a modern ADI recycling system, you could even choke number 1 nozzle or number 2 and so on. Or you can just blow down, shut your abrasives off and just blow out your hoses. And if you have an ADI recycling equipment. You have your winches, you can independently move them up and down, or you can raise it, both of them at the same time with this switch here. Right here you have 7 high-def cameras, and you can zoom in and make sure you can they're high def. The cameras do stay clean, and you can pinpoint a pinhead of paint that you might have missed, like on a weld seam. It'll pick those up, and you could switch whatever camera view you would like to see on the big screen, so you can zoom in. It shows how much each nozzle is putting out pressure-wise. Number 1 nozzle, 2 nozzle, 3 nozzle, the 4th nozzle, and it shows your distance that you're away from your substrate, and it'll show your swing degree and your pitch degree, so you know exactly where your arm's at all times. We'd like to introduce you to our mobile crane. We call it the sand crane. It has a lifting capacity of 450, 500 pounds. It pulls itself up on top of the water tower. And once it's up there, you lower the cable down and you hook on pieces of the blaster, and it pulls itself up. These remotes will go 300 plus feet. And then once you get on top of the tower, you roll it around with 8-inch non-marking casting wheels, and you lower the pieces down inside the water tower. It takes out the work out of the work.